Welcome guys, if you wanna use split screen on your ALCATEL One X 2019, let's click here. Right now we have to choose the application that we want to use in the split screen, so mine first will be the Google Chrome. So click and hold this application, and right now just drag to use split screen. And we can choose the second application, maybe the Google Maps. And that's it. That's how you turn on the split screen on your ALCATEL One X 2019. If you don't have the application in the background, you just have to open them. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.